Hi, it's Kevin here from Sun Stream Infrared Saunas, and I'm in our warehouse today. Thought it might be interesting to show you guys a little behind the scenes look at our crating system, the system that we've developed to protect the saunas, to ship them out to our customers across Canada and the United States, and to ensure that they get to your home in good order, ready for you to use and enjoy. We've got a really solid system. We use a heavy-duty custom-made pallet. We surround the saunas on all four sides with 3/8 of an inch thick chipboard. We use heavy-duty metal strapping. So it's a really solid structure that we hand over to the freight companies to deliver out to your home. You know, a lot of the infrared sauna companies probably aren't talking about this, but it is an important part of the whole infrared sauna purchase process. Getting them to your home in good order is critical, of course. We've been doing it for years. We've got a really good track record with very few incidents of any damage in shipping. I'm going to shift the camera around and we'll have a close look at one of our saunas. Stay tuned. Be right back. Okay, we're back and I grabbed one of the saunas. I've got the Vault 20 sauna here that's all crated on the pallet, ready for shipping. And this is exactly what the freight company will be doing when they deliver to your home. We arrange for the power tailgate service, and then the truck driver is going to have the sauna on the pallet with the pallet jack, and they're going to wheel it along. And let's just park here. Cover your ears for a moment. So let's have a closer look. As I mentioned before, we surround the sauna on all four sides with the solid chipboard. It's 3/8 of an inch thick chipboard to protect the sauna all the way around, so if it should experience any bumps along the way in its journey to your home, it is well protected. We stand the saunas up on edge, as you can see, and we use an extra brace here. This is actually bolted onto the side of the crating. A brace on each side. It's 1x6 lumber, and this is a really solid structure, so they travel incredibly well. The Vault 20 is one of our two-person models, and like the Classic 2 and the Vault 15, which are also two-person models, comes in two cartons. There's the smaller box here in the front. This contains the roof and the floor and the bench. And then the larger box has the four walls of the sauna. When you're uncrating the sauna, you're going to want some metal snips on hand. It's really the only way to easily cut the metal straps that we use. So you'll start by snipping the two straps, the over top straps. And then you'll want to snip the two straps that go around the waist of the sauna. Continue by removing the corner guards and the two front and back large pieces of chipboard. You can actually leave the side bits on here for the time being. They're going to be held up by the braces on the sides here, and you can leave them where they are for the moment. Later, to take it apart fully, you've got a little driver bit up underneath the top here, and that's going to work to undo the wood screws that are down here holding the brace onto the pallet, if you don't have your own driver bit. Once you've got the front and back pieces off, now's the time to grab hold of your utility knife. You'll want to slip the packing tape. It's just going around the outside edge of the box that's holding the lid of the box onto the bottom of the box. And now's the easiest time to be slitting that tape while the box is still upright. Probably slide the box off the pallet into your drive or in your garage. Slit the tape, then you're ready to lay the box down flat. Open it up and carry the pieces of the sauna into your home individually. This is really the easiest way to go about it. The boxes are too big and awkward and heavy to be trying to lift. So we recommend just opening it up in the driveway, in the garage, and then making multiple trips in with the pieces of the sauna into your home. That's been a good look at our crating system. Just a quick review. We use a heavy-duty pallet, custom made specifically for the width of our boxes so that the braces come up perfectly. Surrounded on all four sides, metal strapping, another piece of chipboard up on the top to distribute the pressure of these overtop straps evenly, corner guards wherever they're needed. They really are well protected. We've been shipping the saunas for years. We've got a great track record with absolute minimum incidents of any damage in shipping. So we're very confident the sauna is going to get to you in good order and ready for you to use. Hope you've enjoyed this little look here at our warehouse. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.